This is Chapter 12, AI Across Industries. Section 01 establishes the foundation for analyzing AI across every sector. We'll explore 4 areas: the shift from jobs to tasks, the 3 ways AI impacts an industry, its universal abilities, and factors dictating adoption speed. Subsection 1.1. It changes tasks, not whole jobs. Most people have seen the headlines about AI replacing entire professions. While those stories capture attention, they overlook the way work actually happens in a real business. Think of a loan officer. A job is a collection of tasks: pulling credit histories, checking lending rules, interviewing owners, and making judgment calls. AI changes specific tasks. It automates routine rule matching, but humans remain essential for judgment, context, and communication. This leads to our first myth versus reality. The myth is that entire careers, like accounting or radiology, will simply vanish. The reality is that change arrives task by task. Radiologists are already using AI to flag suspicious areas on scans, but the human still interprets those findings and takes responsibility for the final diagnosis. To accurately analyze AI in any industry, we have to look past the broad job titles and zoom in on the individual tasks being performed. We can categorize these changes in subsection 1.2, 3 things AI does to an industry. When AI targets a specific task, the result almost always falls into one of 3 buckets. First is automation. This involves handing a high-volume, repetitive task entirely to a machine, so it can run without human intervention. Second is augmentation. In this scenario, the AI assists with speed or suggestions, while the human remains in charge of the final task. Third is reinvent. This is the most transformative category, where AI creates entirely new business capabilities that were previously impossible. This is what it means to go through a true digital transformation. This comparison shows how the roles shift. Automation uses machines for narrow tasks like filtering spam. Augmentation keeps the person in charge, like a doctor reviewing an AI-flagged scan. Reinvention creates a new capability for the business, such as a streaming service generating a unique home screen for every single viewer. Sorting tools into these 3 buckets allows you to see past the marketing hype and identify exactly how an algorithm is changing the workplace. In subsection 1.3, we see the same few abilities everywhere. Despite the variety of products in different industries, the underlying machine learning is usually doing one of a few specific things. Our universal toolkit starts with 3 abilities: prediction, which estimates outcomes; pattern and anomaly spotting, which finds outliers; and recommendation, which ranks options. The final 2 are perception, making sense of images or sound, and generation, which produces new text, code, or images. These abilities are interchangeable because a machine learning model doesn't inherently understand the industry it is working in. It only understands the patterns found in its training data. If you train a model on millions of labeled bank transactions, it learns to spot fraud. If you train that same type of model on crop images, it learns to spot diseased plants. The toolkit is the same, only the data changes. Every seemingly unique AI product is ultimately one of these 5 core abilities dressed up in industry-specific data. This leads to subsection 1.4, why some industries move faster than others. If the technology is this universal, why do some fields transform in months while others take years? The primary driver is return on investment. For a company to adopt AI, the expected benefit must clearly outweigh the financial and operational cost of the transition. Beyond ROI, adoption depends on 2 major friction points. First, industries need massive amounts of usable digital data to train models. Second, they must weigh the cost of mistakes. A wrong song recommendation is low stakes, but a medical diagnosis or unfair loan denial is high stakes. Finally, there is regulation. Finance and healthcare face strict oversight, requiring AI systems to be explainable and auditable before deployment. AI has officially reached the business mainstream. In most sectors, the focus has shifted to identifying which specific tasks the technology will touch and how people should work alongside it. Capability alone doesn't guarantee change. Data availability, the stakes of an error, and regulatory rules are the true governors of speed. We have now completed the 4-part framework we need for the rest of the chapter. To summarize, analyze tasks instead of broad job titles. Sort the impact into automate, augment, or reinvent. Recognize the 5 core abilities at work. and measure adoption speed by looking at data, stakes, and regulation. Apply these steps as we navigate the specific industry deep dives in the remainder of the chapter.